On the 24th of November 2020, the Hnyotrep Achik National Movement Mawlai Circle met with the Cabinet Minister Snyao Bhalangdhar to appeal to the state government of Meghalaya to probe into the unsanitary conditions of the Marten, which has an utter reek that stinks, as well as unhygienic contaminated Wahumkhrah river. The Mawlai Circle movement urges the government to take up the matter as a priority, for it is imperative to have clean surroundings. The residents of Mawlai have been dealing with this ordeal for years. The state government should consider resolving the issue with utmost importance, as it is not only for the welfare of the people in Mawlai, but for the state as a whole. The minister assured that the matter will be taken as a primacy, and he will apprise the CEO of municipal of the same in order that immediate process to seek a systematic solution to dissolve the existing vermin, which is prejudicial on the health conditions of the people.
Cái bangala yang bangalek nabanta ke jumpa isma jongka senang mulai tak kunjuk di setiap apa namara ni nang senang jongka mulai bagi lama di tu ndai hendak kiar kurang kan nang smart kawan nang tadi kini kita lagi bagi rung support dai kit itu kejeban nang tu ka large skill fix sekian spread tu nang tu dekilat tu kan ka rai kan pompong ke te khantam ka kata ke kia jumpa mulai tu mana ka por sekopor ila si juya sha ita dengan tangan penting semua kan insim kianam luar jumpa ni jeng ajeng mot jeng ke lombang bagi government kita berbuat jaban servicing untuk kod cuai itu krisau ke